Hi guys, so just a quick video. If you have any problems with a concealed toilet, where the toilet is behind a wall like this, then you'll see this brand is specific, a TECE. So you'll see there's no buttons, anything that you can open this thing. And you can also not press it to sideways to unlock it, or down or up. On the right there's nothing, it's very solid. So what you'll do, you go down and then you'll see there these clips. You can just press them in. So as you can see, it's like a small clip that you just need to press up, and then it will open. Then you have access to the actual back end of the toilet. And we also did with this one now. And then all that you do from here, you can just pull it out like this. And this one also, you can just pull it out. So now what we're gonna do next, if you would like to go, you'll see there's a flat screw that you can just put in there, and you can just turn it just like half a turn. And that one also there's another one that you're just gonna give half a turn. So just like that. And this is the inside. So what usually happens is, you see this, the red one here, like this thing is a bit too low, and then the water level is going too high, and then it leaks in that hole. That's causing a dripping sound in the toilet. So what you want to do, you can just rotate this. Just rotate it so that this thing goes up, and then the water level goes down. And that's basically all that you need to do to fix the toilet. Now I'm just going to put it back. Just make sure the red one and the blue one lines up. What you also can do, you can also unscrew this one. You'll see it's attached there to the white thing, and then you can also unscrew this one here. That's also attached to a white stick at the back. Then you can actually remove this one separately if you want to, but it's not necessary. You actually have access to this plastic screws there inside. And then just to close it, you just go there and you just give it a half a turn, so that it just slots in, and this one also just half a turn, and there you go, solid as a rock. And then just to put this one back again, you'll just hook it up there, and then all that you do, you just press that thing back up again, and then it will just click in like that. And then just the other one as well. Let's go there, and you just click it in. There we go.